Kussmaul Electronics. Today we're going to show you how to install a Auto Power 1500 inverter charger in an ambulance with Anthony from Henderson Truck.
Hey guys, this is Jason at Tech Support, Kussmaul Electronics, and we're going to talk about the AP1500 DC power connections. These are going to be your large studs here that are going to go to the vehicle battery. We also offer an optional 18-inch pigtail, which allows you to easily connect these wires to the terminals and then plug directly into a mating connector here, which you can adapt to the vehicle's battery wiring. We're going to connect the inverter charger to the DC connection down here, which goes directly to the batteries. And then we're going to use the 120 volt GFI right here, which is coming from the auto eject. So this is our shoreline input, which will power up the inverter charger. Okay, what we're going to do is install the included battery temp sense cable. And what this cable does is going to detect the temperature of the battery compartment or the battery box. If this cable is not plugged in to the front of the AP1500 inverter charger, the charger will be limited at 25 amps. Okay. If you plug this cable in, the charger now has full capability to go to 55 amps. So what we did is we just added a stud off of this bracket here, which allows us to just slip this ring lug onto here, and then we'll go ahead and tighten that up, and then we can run this over to the unit itself.
Alright, we're going to hook up the digital display, just match the colors according to the pins.
Talk about this switch here. It is a dip switch, and it has an on and off settings. There's a bunch of different settings. I'm not going to go into detail on each of this. You can go into the manual and look at that. But I'm going to talk about switch position number 4. That's very important. In the position it's in now, position 4 is in the on position, means the unit is set up for 60 hertz. If this was installed overseas, I'll just show you, that would be set for 50 hertz. So you want to keep position switch 4 in the on position. That means this inverter charger is set up for the US and 60 hertz.